As more and more people use website technology, so do the criminals. This is why we developed OnGuard Security, a website that demonstrates security practices. In this website, we focus on DOS protection, database handling, page safeguard, and account management.
So our company name is OnGuard Security. So from the name itself, we provide protection and security measures to a website which will be demonstrated later. So now let's move on to our first user feature, which is the homepage. So homepage is where the users can see the overview of the company, so that includes the products and services offered and how to help the potential customers by navigating throughout the page. So next is the homepage features. So first is the dynamic design where they can see the overall structure of the website, which is seamless, that makes it pleasing to the eyes and also makes them a great user experience with the website. Next is the functionality. So when a button is clicked, it will be automatically navigate the user throughout the page. And also when you click more button below, it will redirect to the plans page, giving the user a complete list of products.
Another page on our website is the password generator page. So on this page, it is a page that can generate password for the user. It can be accessed by anyone, such as the employees, the user, and other people who does not even avail any services to the website. So let's take a look of its features. So this is the features of the password generator page. The accessibility, as I have said earlier, it is accessible. It can be accessed by everyone. And next is the flexibility. So our password generator feature on the website, it is very flexible and can be used to any account, be it social media or the account on the web page on our website. And lastly is the design efficiency. So we designed this feature very simple and straightforward, so it can be easy to use.
Next is the security article website where user can browse different kinds of articles throughout the page, so they can find articles by entering keywords through the search bar, allowing them to find content quickly. So next is the features. First is the flexibility, where all elements such as images and text are all stored in the database, making it secured and manageable data. So next is the functionality. So users can search up for articles just by quickly typing keywords into the search bar. So lastly is the usability. Since content is stored in the database, which is the admin, they can update articles without making any changes to the website structure, making adding of content a lot more easier.
Let's start with our security plan page. On this page, a user can see the packages that we offer for their security. These are the best bundles that you might not want to miss. After purchasing our product, it will give them a generated PIN that will be their unique identity for us. For the next slide is its features. So the first feature is accessibility. Since we skipped the payment system, it is currently available to everyone. As a result, you might acquire a pre-created ID PIN. You can communicate with us using that PIN. You won't be able to connect at us unless you have it, because our system won't accept your messages if you are not in our database. For the next feature is design efficiency. It's a straightforward design of security packages that we offer for our customers. All information was already provided to make users decide easily. For the next slide is the contact page. On this page, a user can send a message regarding their issues with our product. Using this, we're able to communicate with them and we're glad to help with their concerns. The next slide is its features. First, its accessibility. It is open to the public, but only subscribers can send messages regarding their problems. Because our form requires a unique ID, that ID was provided at the time of purchase. But as I said earlier, since we skip the payment system and we're giving a free ID PIN, therefore you are able to connect with us. The next feature is anti-spam. These features works by blocking all invalid users that are sending their messages to us. Given that we have a unique ID for our customers, we can easily identify those users. That's a big help for our system because we can eliminate unnecessary messages. And for the last feature is the design efficiency. It is a simple design for communication purposes with our customers. They can message their issues at any time and we will respond as soon as possible. And that's all for me. I will give now to the next person.
And now we will be tackling the admin features of the website. So at the admin website, we have here the admin page. So the admin page can view submitted issues by the users. So here we are assigning different departments that will handle those specific issues, and we can also set status here so that the customers are aware of the status of their issue on the system. Now we have the features. So the importance of this is handling, of course, since we are assigning to proper departments, the handling of issues is faster and also more direct. And for the feedback, since we are providing the current status of the issue, the customer is aware of how their issue is being processed in the system. Lastly is the design efficiency. So we are implementing a material design that is very easy to work with, so the users can actually know the different actions that they can perform in the system. And lastly, we have the article CRUD page here. Now the article CRUD page, it allows the admin to create articles in the article users, so they can also read, update, and delete. So for the account system, I will explain this later on in the demonstration.
So another page on our admin website is the account center. So on this page, the main admin can review all the accounts that have logged in into the admin website. So let's take a look at its features. And the first is the high level access. So only the main admin can access this page because we really want to avoid data alteration by lower level employees. And another feature is that it is a anti-insider attack feature or preventive measure because we can easily track all those accounts that have logged in into the website, and if an insider attack happens, we can easily track them down. So this can discourage lower level employees from doing this attack. And lastly is the design efficiency. So the design is very straightforward, so reviews can easily be conducted and no slips and errors can happen. Next, another page in our website is the IP logs page. So on this page, the main admin can check all the users' IP address who visited the website.
Hello, so I will now be demonstrating our website. So our website link is onguard-security.00webhostapp.com. So we are using a free web hosting app to host our website. So this is fully online, including the database. This is our home page. We can click the scroll animation. Let's go to the plans page. So this is the different plans our website offers. And then go to the password. This is the password generator. Let's generate a password. We can also copy it into our clipboard. Now onto the articles. So this is the different articles that is hosted on our database. We can also use the search function. So there we go. And now let's go to the contact page. So to us to submit a contact here, we need an account ID. Let's go to the plans. since we didn't develop a purchasing feature, we just generated this example one. So let's generate and copy this and then update. So it's now inserted into our database. And now let's create a contact. So I will name here demo, and for the email, demo@demo.com, demo title, and demo message. Okay, so after I submit this, so it's if the submission is accepted by the website, it will take us to this page. Otherwise, it will take us to the error page. Okay, so let's type the account ID that we entered here. So now we can see that it was successfully submitted, and our issues that we submitted is displaying, right? So after this, now the admin side of the website, let's look at it. So here we have three types of account. We have the main administrator, which I will log in now. So this is the home page. So this is the issue that we have submitted. Now let's go to the accounts. This is the account logs. So these are the administrator logins into the system. This is the IP logs. So here we can see who is connecting to our website, and we can block people who are repeatedly connecting to us, like some sort of DDoS attack. So this is the article CRUD page. So the one that we are seeing in the article section here, this is where we create this. So to demonstrate, I will edit this one. Let's put I now here, and let's change the author to John Doe. Okay, if I update this, okay, so article edited successfully. So if we refresh this, right, so it changed the title and the author. So we're done there. Now I will return back to here. So here we are using the account system. So the account system is, for example, I will assign this demo message to technical support. Oh, let's change this to financial support. Okay, so I will update this now. So after I updated this, it will now be the financial support department, and I will log into the financial support account. Okay, so now I'm here. So if I'm gonna resolve this issue, I will use my tools available to me. So we did not develop that, of course. It will be to time constraint. So if we say this is on process, we'll just update this, and it will be updated into the database. And we can also click resolve if we resolve this. So for example, we are done handling this particular issue. We can now set to submit, and it will disappear in our support financial support staff account. So another security feature we added here is we have authentication for every page. So if we try and access the admin page earlier, it will automatically log us out. So let's go back to the main admin page. Let's see the changes we've done. And this is it. So our demo here, this is our demo message that we've sent. So it's already resolved, and the department is already none because they've already submitted us the full report. So after this one is done, now the customer can now view the issue update, right? So you'll see the issue status is resolved. Okay, so now we can delete this if we think it's already okay to be deleted, and it will be deleted in our database. So that is all for our presentation.